only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful?
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my pantry cleanup and reorganize. So I'm going to be showing you guys the transformation. It is a disaster. I've definitely let it go over the last few months and just paid no attention to it, just kind of going through life, in and out of it, and it's a mess. It's a mess. So this is another huge disaster. It's another huge transformation. You guys are gonna really enjoy it. For those of you who said in my last video that they love to see the before and after, you're definitely gonna get that from this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and just jump in and kind of show you guys what it looks like. So the first thing I'm gonna end up doing is going ahead and wiping down all the counters. The kitchen is pretty much clean. I have a few dishes in here that I'm probably gonna go ahead and clean and put away, and then just wiping down all the counter space of like any crumbs or anything, because I'm gonna take everything out of that pantry and throw it onto the counters, and I just want everything clean. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give me a thumbs up if you do. That always helps out my channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Here is our pantry. If you guys have been following me for a long time, you know I've done a couple of these videos before, which I will link below. And I do have all Dollar Tree bins in here. Just really budget friendly in here. So I'm big on that. And then I do have some like mason jar type, just jars actually. I have all kinds of things like that. So I'm just gonna definitely repurpose, reuse those. I'm not gonna buy anything new for this. And yeah, this is it. I mean, a mess. I'm gonna go ahead and show you this mess here. Whoa, we got so much stuff everywhere. All the way down there, here. Some trash started. A lot of these things are trash here, and gotta go through everything, decide what I wanna keep, what I need to trash, what's expired, and stuff like that. I got a lot of random stuff. Oh, on top of all that, let me show you. We also have stuff right here. And I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like in here and what we're gonna clean up. I just made a soapy towel, as you've seen, and then I'm gonna hit the baseboards, the shelves, and then mop the floor. So let me go ahead and show you guys the mop that we have because I get asked this a lot. We just have this spray and mop. It's a little dirty, but it is Rubbermaid Reveal, and this isn't the typical head for it. This is just what's clean. Right now I'm washing my cleaning towels and all of like these things right now in the wash machine. So
They say you don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here. And no, I don't wanna be alone in the world out there. They say you don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here. And no, I don't wanna be alone in the world out there. Here we go. They say you don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here. And no, I don't wanna be alone in the world out there. They say you don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here. And no, I don't wanna be alone in the world out there. They say you don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here. And no, I don't wanna be alone in the world out there. They say you don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here. And no, I don't wanna be alone.
all right, you guys, so we are officially all done. I cannot wait to show you what it looks like. I already showed my mom. She FaceTimed just now, and I was like, let me show you, because I sent her the pictures. But I'm ready to show you guys. I'm super excited, and I'm gonna show you the kitchen first. Basically, we got this whole area cleaned up. Right here are things that just need to be like, I'm basically not using them. I gotta figure out what I wanna do with this stuff, clean out these, figure out what I wanna do with them, but right now I'm not using them. And then over there, we got everything off the table. So, everything is looking good. Okay. Alrighty, so this is what it looks like. Just give you a quick overview. So everything is off the floor, as you can see, which is really nice. The baseboards are cleaned. Everything's clean under there. We have Remy's dog food. I need to pick up some more today, actually. Just keeping a few random things under there, like lunch pills, lunch boxes. And then on this side is like the kids' drinks. So we have like their drinks here. We have their snacks in here. And all three of these things are their snacks. And then up here is all of the seasoning things. I actually got all of these things here from Dollar Tree. So definitely check them out if you're looking for like a budget-friendly way to organize your space. And just in here is actually like all of my mother-in-law's seasonings. She comes here quite often, so she has a lot of seasonings to cook different Persian foods. And up here are all the chicken broth and broths, beef broths. We have some things in here like pancake mix and rice and sugar and oats and stuff. I will put on some new labels. I actually have some. I just gotta look for them that are actually like cute little labels, and you can like use chalk, but I have to look for them, and I didn't do that for this video, so sorry for that. Maybe in a cleaning video. And then right here, just the cereals. We have nothing up there right now, which is open space. I have the wines and all the liquor and the things for when we have family visit and people over. And then here we have all of like the oils, canned food goods, sauces and jellies and stuff like that, and salsa and all kinds of stuff. So all of the different pastas and noodles, rice and beans. And then down here, me and Shanam snacks. These are all like our low carb snacks, our keto snacks, because we are technically back on keto. He's strict keto, I'm more low carb. Baking goods, teas, sugar, and then this thing carries our teas, and then we have some low carb protein powder back there. And then down here we have like our kitchen bags, Ziploc bags, all the different sizes. So I did get rid of a lot of food because they were past their expiration date. One of the problems with having too much in your pantry is oftentimes you can't see what you have. So you go to a store and you buy more stuff. That's why I have like doubles of things and things that went bad, because I didn't realize that they were in the back of the pantry. So I'm so glad that I was able to organize it. We had a lot of things that needed to be thrown away. Recycled. We had a lot of recycle bags and boxes and things like that. So let me know in the comments how you guys like this transformation, if you got some motivation from it, and let me know if you have ever used these Dollar Tree bins and how you like them, or what your favorite like organizers are for your pantry. Let me know in the comments. I'd love to share that with everybody, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.